In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a reconciliation report in QuickBooks Online, which should take us about 5 minutes. This process is essential for making sure that your financial records align with your bank statements, providing you with an accurate snapshot of your finances. To get started first, you'll want to click on the Sign In button on your QuickBooks Online account. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to select QuickBooks Online from the list of options. If you manage multiple accounts or use different QuickBooks services, make sure to choose the correct one to avoid any confusion later on. Once you've selected QuickBooks Online, it's time to enter your credentials. This is your username and password that you ordinarily use to access QuickBooks. If you encounter any issues logging in, double check your information for typos or consider resetting your password for enhanced security. Once you're logged in, click on Continue to access your account. With everything set up, navigate to the Reports tab. You'll find this tab easily on the dashboard of QuickBooks Online. The Reports section is where you'll spend significant time reviewing and analyzing various financial documents. This is where your financial information comes to life with dynamic reports that help you make informed decisions. Now that you're in the Reports section, you'll see a search bar. Here, type in Reconciliation Report. QuickBooks will provide a list of related reports, but you'll want to focus on the Reconciliation Report. This document helps ensure that your accounts are balanced, identifying any discrepancies in recorded transactions. Select the Reconciliation Report from the search results. This action will open up the report displaying all reconciled accounts and their current status. Look over the details to ensure everything appears as expected. Reconciliation reports are crucial in confirming that your account balances are accurate and that no unauthorized transactions have occurred. That's the basic process for generating a reconciliation report in QuickBooks Online. This report is a vital tool for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring that your business's financial activities are accurately tracked. If you have recurring reconciling tasks, consider setting reminders to generate this report regularly. Doing so enables you to quickly identify and rectify any discrepancies, maintaining trustworthiness and credibility in your financial reporting. We've just covered this process in a simple and straightforward way, making sure you can easily follow along. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the QuickBooks support team. They're a great resource for diving deeper into any aspect of your account. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy reconciling.